In between I found something here that looks like the bottom of a bolt sticking out from inside the car, but they can't be that mean, can they? Hello everybody and welcome to day 69 of my Jaguar S-Type restoration project. Last time I got stuck at removing the brake booster, which obviously is attached from inside the car. This of course would make sense since it's applied by the brake pedal. I promised to do a little research in between. Did I? Of course not. So let's take a look now. I take a picture for you from what I can see here underneath. I can see a white plastic nut in the middle that connects the brake pedal to the booster, and the brake booster itself is attached to the firewall by 4 more hex nuts. Even though it's recessed a little bit, I have to go with a short socket because there's very tiny space. Voila! Let's hope that the other 4 are 12 hex as well. No, they are not. I've now prepared a 13 and a 14 hex socket and a short extension. The 13 hex fits, but there's no space for the extension. I will use it without. The lower right can be attempted that way. Those are self-locking nuts, so they never get really loose. No idea why they use that long bolts on those. Let's try it another way, and maybe I can even put the camera down there. Welcome to the show. And number 1 is out. I'm not gonna attempt the lower left. Oh, come on. Number 2 is out as well. I'm afraid I can't reach up to the 3rd from that position. No chance. The upper 2 require a knuckle and a long extension. Let's try it that way. Attempting the most difficult upper left one first. Unfortunately the footrest is in the way here, and now the socket is getting too long and interferes with the brake pedal. The knuckle now is almost working in a 90-degree angle. It's important to stay in this position to always check the alignment of the socket in relation to the nut, otherwise it would pop out immediately. Let's give the short socket a try. Oh, come on! Doesn't want to slide onto the bolt. I tried it onto the wrong one. And here we go. Let's again take a picture for you how this looks here from underneath. Now it's coming loose. And here it is somewhere. Yeah, nut number 3. So the final one shouldn't be a big deal now, since the 3rd was the most difficult to reach. Seems this bolt is a little corroded. Now come on. I don't want to know how I get back this brake booster at the reassembly. I think the booster already moving now, so let's take a look. And actually it is moving already. The final nut is loose. I don't know what was the matter with this one. Each half turn it got stuck on the bolt. I should now be able to take down the brake booster. Not yet. There's a wiring harness bracket in the way. The sensor is still in the way. Seems there's kind of a snap ring put around here in this groove. It's coming out on this side. And voila. And here's our brake booster. And this is the corner where all the wiring harnesses and also the AC line exit the car. As you can see, the AC line is trapped behind those fuel lines. So we'll try to get those out of the way by opening this plastic bracket. I'm trying to attempt this from inside the engine bay. And it's popped open. This was fuel line number 1 and the number 2. It's out as well. The AC line itself is held in place by this bracket here behind, but since it's still connected to the car on the other side, it doesn't move. That's a Torx 40 on the inside and the 10 hex on the outside, your choice. So this connection is now loose. I'm just gonna make sure that the system doesn't get contaminated. I can now unclip the line inside the wheel well as shown before, but unfortunately its second arm is still trapped here behind the fuel assembly. So I will first detach this bracket, and I'm lucky this is also 10 hex. Voila! The connector doesn't fit through this hole with the stud here still in place. Undoing this requires an E7 socket. So now let's try to get this through the opening without harming the fuel lines. And here's the second half of our AC line. Unfortunately, the noise insulator is now still caught behind the windshield wiper assembly, which means this has to come down as well. Here I can count 1, 2, 3, 4 hex bolts. Size again is 10 millimeters. Number 1, 2, 3, and 1 more. Voila! In between I found something here that looks like the bottom of a bolt sticking out from inside the car, but they can't be that mean, can they? Now it's already moving a little bit, and this portion around the stud moves also, so that's not a bolt. Would be crazy to be forced to take down the instrument panel for the wiper assembly. Okay. One more plug here at the bottom. Voila, a beautiful red one. And on the other side, this whole assembly is hanging on the water insulation, but here it is. I can now attempt the noise insulator. Loose on the right, not 100%. One cable is sticking through, and this cable leads towards the footlock. Shall I go this extra mile now? I think I simply cut it. I'm afraid my car isn't original anymore now. That's it again for today. Next week I'm gonna start with cleaning up the engine bay. In between you may want to watch some of my other content, and of course subscribe if you haven't yet. See you back on my channel. Goodbye.